Hello friends, today I want to do unboxing of a bag that I've got lately. It's from the store called Haan. So I've got the small bag, which is here. I took it from the box. The box was really small, and I've got the bag from Haan. It's mini drawstring, Granheim AM mini drawstring in super pink. Here is the code, and let's take it out. So it's okay, so let's unbox it. First, this part. Then it's covered with this paper. Let's remove it. Then it's covered with this. Smells nice. Oh, it's really cute. It's from Haan. And then let's remove tag somehow. I don't know if I can remove it. Let's remove this thing. Which is protection for belt. Let's just rip it, because I don't need it anymore. Ta-da! Here is my cute new bag. It looks really nice. It's in this pink color. It has drawstring here. I mean, some kind of string that you can go down and up with it. And then it has not detachable belt, which you can regulate here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes that it can be changed. This part is nice and thick. This bag is made from leather. Then you can lower this part and then you can make it bigger. Actually on the first compartment is like there, that you can make it really wide. And inside, paper. So this compartment is kind of nice and can fit few things, maybe not water bottle, but phone, wallet, some other things, or hand fit here. Even water bottle could fit, but it would stick out. And it has closure on this snap. It has nice those things, I like it. And on the inside it's from metal, and it has nice gold tone hardware. Let's see what it says here. Because what's inside matters to you, we elevated timeless classic with stunning materials. You can read it here. I have to make focus here. Then it says built to master any commute with adjustable straps and smart details, built for life on the move, organized, keep your essentials neat and accessible with thoughtful inner and outer pockets. Natural leather, carry yourself in style with naturally beautiful premium leather. So yeah, that's really nice natural leather, pebbled one. I really like bags from leather, but didn't saw in past any pink ones, so when I saw this one I had to have it, and it was on sale also. And inside this bag has waterproof or water resistant, not sure, material. And then it has another pocket with some kind of stuff like this, and it has another pocket here stuffed with paper, and here's the dust bag. This pocket is even a little bigger, or maybe, I don't know, it seems also not that small. So actually you can put here another essentials, and then also you have zipper pocket that it's on the zipper in the middle, and you can put here a wallet, for example, or some cards, but it's not that deep, only this part deep. And then here it has Haan logo. This it's called Grand Series. Then here it has the code on the side bar, and on the back it has also a slip pocket. You can put here your phone. Let's see how iPhone fit inside. Fit. All iPhone Plus, 6 Plus fit inside. Maybe slightly stick out. So yeah. This is a really nice bag. On me it will look like this. I will show you in the mirror. In the mirror it looks like this. As you can see, the bag looks cute. It's nice length. It's not too big. Kind of small. But it has many pockets and can be filled with many cute stuff. So yeah, that's how it looks. So yeah, that's how it looks. It will give you some pop-up color, contrasting accent. So even with green like now I'm wearing, it looks cool, and with black, but even with different colors I think it will look good. And here are bag details. here is the dust bag. This is how I will store it. Guys, that's my unboxing for today. I hope you enjoy setting this. If you do, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.